It's mail time. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got two really awesome boxes in the mail today. And I know what you guys are thinking, Mike, you're doing all these unboxing videos, but you're not doing anything with the things you're getting. You're right. This is just going to be an unboxing video of these two boxes. However, I'm gathering components to build something cool. So be patient with me, and I promise you guys, I'm going to show you some cool stuff. So I guess I'll start with this box because there's some damage on it, and I'm going to record this just in case anything's broken. But if you didn't guess what it is yet, it's a solar panel. Another one, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys set up on the tripod and we'll get it open. Like I said, I'm a little worried about how this box looks. Hopefully nothing's broken. I'm really nervous. Okay. I don't see nothing shattered yet. That's a good start. Alright, so these are two 100 watt panels. These are Wheezy brand, so it's the same brand. If you watch one of my other videos, I did a battery, like a self-contained lithium iron phosphate battery, a Wheezy brand. This is the same brand of solar panels. So, I want to give them a try. These are, I believe, $180 for two of them, so less than $1 a watt. Ooh. There's a weird spot. Okay, that's just some crap on there. I just want to make sure they're not broken or shattered, you know, that this is pretty deep. So anyways, these are Wheezy brand panels, and it'd be really cool. I have a Harbor Freight 100 watt panel, so what I like to do in a future videos, we're going to take one of these versus the Harbor Freight one connected to a charge controller and see which one actually produces the most power. We're going to kind of do a comparison, so that's going to be in a later video, so look forward to that. So I'll go ahead and get these unsheathed. Yeah, check it out, guys. So 100 watt Wheezy brand solar panel. Like I said, two of these were 180, so that's a pretty good deal. So awesome, solar panels are getting cheaper, especially if you buy used ones. These are new. So here, I'll show you guys the back. They come with these solar connectors. I actually ordered a crimp tool and a bunch of these so I can start crimping my own connections. And then I'll bring you in closely to see the label. Oh, hang on, sorry. So for those wondering, those are the specs. I don't know how to get my GoPro to focus. But it looks like it says 6 amps, short circuit current 6 amps, open circuit voltage 22.2. So peak power 100 watts. I don't know why the GoPro doesn't focus. Anyways, so pretty excited. I think I'm going to use these to build some sort of super portable system because the panels I have in my backyard now are really heavy and large, but these would make a really nice portable setup and I can string them together. Build quality seems pretty good. They're very light, probably about 10 pounds, not too bad. Alright, so I got them both unboxed. Like I said, no cracks. These are monocrystalline, I believe. So it's at 180 bucks for 200 watts worth of solar. So like I said, in a future video, we're gonna put these on a solar panel dyno and we'll give them a shot. Please ignore I didn't do my dishes yet. So